Indian kitchen is full of magical medicinal spices that can cure any ailment. And today in this modern age, we have forgot the magic of those spices that our grandmothers used. Haldi or turmeric is one such spice. Turmeric is an important spice of Indian kitchen, and there are rarely any kitchen where you will not find this spice. In today's video, we will talk about turmeric milk, haldi wala doodh, turmeric latte or golden milk, whatever you want to call it as, and the reasons why we should have it every day. Turmeric have antimicrobial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. But before we see the benefits of haldi milk or the turmeric milk, let's see how to prepare it. Take a vessel and put a glass of milk in it. Boil the milk and add a half a teaspoon of haldi to it. Let it boil for some more time. Now pour it into a glass. Let it cool down a bit, then add a spoon of raw honey to it. Caution: never add honey to any hot food. You can add other spices or nuts to enhance the property. And to know more which spices to add to the milk to get the most of it for the different problems, watch the video till the end. Improve sleep. Take a cup of haldi milk every day before going to bed, because during night your body heals itself. Especially if you have a broken sleep multiple times due to restless leg syndrome, add few cashews to it, as cashews are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially in copper and magnesium, that helps in bone health. Improves immunity. When the weather is changing, if you or your family member get cold, cough or flu, it is good to have a cup of turmeric milk before bed every day, along with a pinch of black pepper in it, because the black pepper activates the chemical compound curcumin in turmeric, which is an antioxidant, and the antioxidant property of turmeric helps in your immunity and helps to fight free radicals. That is one of the major causes of all the problems or diseases that you have. Reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that the diets rich in anti-inflammatory compounds reduces the risk of heart diseases, BP, diabetes and chronic diseases like cancer. It also helps in joint pain and bone pains. Add a pinch of nutmeg to it to reduce inflammation. Helps in weight loss. The dietary fiber found in turmeric, when added with the milk, don't allow the extra fat to store in body. Take it with a pinch of black pepper, which contains a compound called pepperine, which helps enhance metabolic performance and prevents fat accumulation in the body, hence helps in weight loss. Improves healthy skin. Turmeric has been known for beautiful skin for ages. It helps reduce the aging signs like scars, blemishes, acne, and also helps in clearing the complexion. Add Aliv seeds to turmeric milk, as Alivs, along with vitamin A and E, is rich in nutrient called sulforaphane, which provides even skin tone, get rid of patches and naturally gives a glow to the skin. You can get Alivs easily on Amazon. If you want to buy Alivs, check the link in description. It also helps in digestive problems and lung conditions. The anti-inflammatory property in turmeric helps in asthma and lung conditions when taken with a pinch of pepper in milk, and also helps in digestive problems like acidity, bloating and heartburn and stomach ulcers. Now you know the benefits of turmeric milk. Please share the video with your friends and family and like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to boost my confidence so that I can bring more such interesting videos. See you in the next video, and remember, you cannot enjoy wealth if you are not in your good health. Take care. Bye.